How do you understand a legal bill of costs? Imagine receiving a detailed invoice that shows exactly what you are being asked to pay after a family law case. That's what a legal bill of costs is. It's a document that lists all the expenses a party has paid or expects to pay during a case. This can include everything from lawyer fees to court filing costs and even charges for expert witnesses. In family law, this bill is often used when one person wants the court to order the other to cover some or all of these costs. Think of it as a detailed receipt for legal work done. It helps the court see what expenses have been incurred and whether those costs are fair. The bill of costs starts with the purpose. It's meant to show all the costs involved in the case, like divorce or child custody. When one party asks the court for money back, this bill acts as proof of what was spent. Next, it breaks down the components. You will see attorney fees, which are charges for the lawyer's time. These include consultations, preparing documents, and court appearances. Court fees are also listed, which are paid to file or continue a case. Sometimes these fees are waived if the case qualifies. Service fees are for delivering legal papers to the other party, often paid to sheriffs or process servers. If experts are involved, their fees for providing reports or testimony are included. Other costs might be travel expenses or fees for witnesses. The court then reviews the bill to check if the costs are reasonable and proportional. This means they look at whether the charges match the case's complexity and whether they are fair. For example, if a lawyer charges for many hours of work that weren't necessary, the court might reduce the amount. In family law cases, the court can order one person to pay the other's legal costs. This often depends on factors like income differences or how each party behaved during the case. If someone has a lot more money, the court might decide they should cover some of the other person's expenses. The bill of costs must be clear and detailed. It should not include confidential information, but must show exactly what was paid and why. This helps the court decide if the costs are justified. Understanding a legal bill of costs means knowing it's a formal request for reimbursement of expenses. The court reviews it carefully to ensure fairness. It reflects the financial side of family court and helps make sure both sides are treated equally when it comes to paying legal fees.